In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use tags and categories in your time tracker to make tracking your time more efficient. Whether you're managing personal projects, client work, or team tasks, organizing your time properly with tags and categories is crucial for staying on top of things. I've tried some of the most popular time tracking software out there, and I'll show you the one that stands out in terms of simplicity and efficiency. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below, so stick around for that. Let's dive in. First, what are tags and categories? Tags are like keywords or labels that help you group specific tasks. Categories are broader categories that help you group multiple tasks or projects together. Think of tags as a way to add more detail to your tasks, and categories as a way to organize those tasks into logical groups. To get started, head over to your time tracker software and find the task or project that you want to categorize. In most software, you'll see an option to either add tags or assign a category while you're logging your time. If you're using our software, it's simple to add both as you're creating a new time entry. Start with categories. These are usually set up beforehand, so choose from options like work, personal, or client projects to help categorize your time. For example, if you're working on multiple client projects, having a separate category for each project can help you stay organized and see where your time is going. You can set up categories by going to your settings, and it's as easy as adding a new label for each category you want. Next, let's talk about tags. Tags allow you to go even further. You could tag tasks with labels like urgent, high priority, or meeting. This helps you not just track time, but also identify what kind of task you are working on, so when you look back, it's easy to sort through your data. You can add multiple tags to a single task if needed. For example, a task might be in the client projects category and tagged as urgent and follow up, so you can see the urgency and what type of work you're doing. If you're using our software, adding tags and categories is simple. Once you've entered your task, just click on the Tags and Categories sections and start typing the tags or select the categories from a drop-down menu. It's that simple to keep everything organized. As you continue using your time tracker, you'll start to notice how powerful these features are. Tags and categories make it easy to filter your time reports, track your progress over time, and make data-driven decisions to improve your productivity. For example, you could easily pull up all the tasks tagged meeting or within the client projects category to get a quick overview of where your time is going. One key benefit of tags and categories is that they allow you to be more granular with your time analysis. Instead of just tracking how many hours you spent on a project, you can break it down into specific tasks and see how much time you spent on meetings, research, emails, and more. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Tags and categories in your time tracker are essential for improving your workflow and making sure you're tracking your time in a meaningful way. Use categories to group similar tasks together and tags to add specific labels that help you identify tasks quickly. To quickly recap, set up categories to organize tasks into logical groups and use tags to add additional details and prioritize your tasks. Make sure you're using both effectively to analyze and improve your productivity. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. You can follow along with this tutorial and get hands-on experience with the software I recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.